Hey, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. I'm also going to tell you how you can access a free training that shows you how to get your videos to the top of Google and YouTube rankings, so stay tuned. All right, so for anyone that's not familiar with affiliate marketing, I'm going to break it down for you real quick. Basically, it's when a company pays you a commission for any traffic or sales generated from referrals that you provide. In other words, you become an affiliate for that company. And the way you make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing is by creating videos that relates to the product, and you place your affiliate links in the video itself or in the description below the video. So for example, if we go to YouTube here and I type in Apple earbuds, this is somebody who's put out some content for 5 earbud tips and features. So I'm just going to click on this link real quick
Hi
just to
everyone,
kind of show
Aaron here
you.
for Zolotech.
This is an example of what you can do. He's basically reviewing the product, giving you tips and features that you might not know about. So I'm not going to go through the video, but I'm sure you've seen videos similar to this. So I'm just going to play a few seconds of this.
Not know. Recently, I've been talking to some people and they had some questions about their AirPods and they didn't know some of these features. So I wanted to share them with you.
All right, so you get the idea there. So basically, this is a great way to either unbox a product, review a product, talk about a product. And I wanted to show you where you would place what's referred to as affiliate links. So this is an Amazon link, and it's for the AirPod case. There's some more stuff from Amazon here, screen protectors, and another case there. So I just wanted to give you some examples of where you would place your affiliate links. All right, so I wanted to show you this real quick just to further the point of how simple the process is. So basically, number one, a customer finds your content on social media or YouTube or through social media channels. Second, you basically create the content and recommend a product or service for your YouTube visitors in your videos. Three, basically the customer or the visitor purchases the product or services from your affiliate link. And finally, number four, you get paid a commission for the sales made using your affiliate link. Now, YouTube affiliate marketing has been around for many, many years, and it can be a very lucrative revenue stream for popular videos. But I want to tell you, just like with anything that's worthwhile, it does require dedication, a lot of hard work, and it's definitely not a get-rich strategy. So if that's what you're looking for with affiliate marketing, it's probably not for you. Okay, so let's talk about what you need to get started making videos for YouTube as an affiliate. Now, this really depends on the niche that you want to go into and the products that you're going to be promoting. But having said that, let's break it down into the main steps. And I've broken this down into 6 steps. So step number 1 is choosing your niche. You need to decide what niche you want to go into. And from experience, I can tell you that it really helps if you have a genuine interest or experience in the niche. Why? Because it just makes it that much easier for you to create content, and also just makes it more enjoyable for you. If you enjoy the topic, you can easily talk about it, and you can talk about it for years to come. Next, you want to make sure that there is a market for your niche. So you want to make sure that your niche is big and popular. And an easy way to check for this is to see if there is a minimum of at least 1 print magazine in your niche. So I just brought up this Barnes & Noble site. You can look it up online for magazines. And basically, you can see all the different categories: teen magazines, travel, women's interest, home and garden, health and fitness. So again, you want to just dive in a little deeper, do a little bit of research, and you want a sub niche. You want to just don't have a big broad category, because that'll be, health is too broad. You want to niche down, and you want to get specific, and you want to see if you can find at least 1 print magazine that pertains to your particular niche. Now, also another good way is if you see on television, there's shows, there's networks dedicated to your niche. That's even better. So The other thing you want to do is do a quick Google search. So I want to give you a quick example here. So something that would not be a good niche. So obviously underwater basket weaving. Now what I'm looking for here is I want to type in my niche, and I'm looking to see if there are any ads, because that is a great indicator whether or not people are spending money. Because if people are spending money on placing ads, that tells me that, hey, there's money to be made here, and it's a good niche for you to go into. Now, on the contrary, you want to see something like this. So for example, small business loans, very competitive. When I type that in, I just see a bunch of ads. So people are spending lots of money on this particular niche. So I'm not afraid of competition. Competition is actually a good thing because it means that the niche is profitable. All right, so we move on to step number 2. So after that you've decided on the niche, then you need to find an affiliate program that will have a product or many products that you can promote. Again, the affiliate program that you will join depends on your niche, but I'm going to give you a couple of examples here um, for you to consider. So Amazon's probably the most popular that YouTubers use. You can find pretty much, and the reason is you can find pretty much any product in almost any niche, and it has obviously a very reputable affiliate program. People recognize the brand. Now the commissions are a bit on the lower end. They range from anywhere from 2 to up to 10%. But the one good thing is that they will pay you and give you credit if you lead somebody to their link and they purchase from your link, and then they add products to their shopping cart. You'll also get credit for those sales as well. So that's a good thing. Another one, popular one, is eBay. Same concept. It's pretty reputable, and they also have lots of products to choose from. Now, ClickBank is another popular affiliate network, and this is particularly good that anyone wants to sell informational type products. Now, what's great about this is the commission rate is very high, anywhere from 50 to 90%, and it's a great place to start if you can find products within your niche, which you usually can. They do have a nice good range of different niches that you can go in. Now, you can do, the other thing you can do is a simple search, a Google search, and try to, enter your your niche with affiliate programs next to it. So as an example, I'm going to type in here in the Google search, I'm going to say hunting gear affiliate programs. And so basically it's just going to, you can find, you can go into blogs that tell you top hunting affiliate programs. Sometimes you can find very specific merchants that have the affiliate program that are offering it, like, so for example, this one, campfire.com. So with any niche you can do this, and you can pretty much, you don't have to go to a network, you can go directly on many cases. All right, so the next step is step number 3. And step number 3 is basically creating a YouTube channel. So, once you found your niche, you found an affiliate program, you honed in on the products that you want to promote, you definitely need to create a YouTube channel. Now, creating a YouTube channel is easy, and it's pretty easy, and it's free. All you need is a Google account to get started. And now there's a lot of good content out there that shows you exactly how to create a YouTube channel. So I'm not going to get into this. I actually go into it in some other videos, but I did want to show you how you can quickly find it. So if you just do a quick search on how to create a YouTube channel, it'll bring this up, and actually Google has an article or a support link here, and they have a video and tells you exactly how to do it, how to create a personal channel, or if you want to do it with a business or a brand name, you can do that here. So again, pretty easy to find, and pretty easy to execute as well. All right, so let's move on to the next step, which is step number 4, and that is actually creating videos. So once you've created your YouTube channel, you want to be able to create some videos, right? So when it comes to making videos, there's definitely going to be a bit of a learning curve. Some people are afraid of making videos. There's actually ways that you can do this without being on camera. An example of this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing a screen share. I'm not showing my face, but I am just sharing my screen and talking about a specific topic. Now, so I would tell you that, don't get discouraged at first. You're going to make a lot of mistakes. That's normal. You're only going to get better as time goes by and you keep making videos. The trick here is to stay consistent, keep at it, and you'll just improve. So I just wanted to give you some other tips as well to keep in mind when making your video. So make sure, again, that your video relates to the product that you're going to sell. You want to give your visitors value with the content, and you want to give them something that's going to be helpful to them. Second is you want to make sure that you have a decent mic. If possible, you want to upload at high definition. So 720 was the norm or the standard for quite a while, but right now 1080 HD is even better and becoming more and more the default. The third thing is you want to make sure that you are excited about the product as you want them to be as excited as you are. If you're not excited about the product, they're not going to be either. So keep that in mind. Number 4, plan your video before making it. At the very least, you want to make an outline of the video and follow that outline so that you make sure that you are not missing any points that you wanted to go over, but you also want to allow for some improvisation. All right, now 5th is you want to know what kind of video you're going to create. Is it going to be a review of a product like the example I showed you? Is it going to be giving some sort of advice or beauty tips? Now, there's plenty of different types, and again, you can do a quick search on types of videos to do, but feel free to experiment with the different types to find really what works best for you, your audience, and your niche, and basically find your style. All right, so the next step is step number 5, and step number 5 is about uploading and optimizing your videos. All right, so now that we have our videos ready, we need to upload them to our YouTube channel, we need to optimize them, and we need to add our affiliate links. Now, I've gone into more detail in another video that shows you exactly how to optimize your channel, so go ahead and check that out as well. But for now, I want to give you a quick outline of what you need to do. First, you want to make sure your video file name includes your keyword before uploading it. Okay, that's very important. Number 2, you always want to add relevant content in your video description along with your affiliate links. However, keep this in mind. If you are a brand new channel, do not add any links until you have at least 10 to 15 videos. For some reason, YouTube does not like it that way. They give you more love if you don't do that. You want to first get 10 to 15 videos and then add the links. All right, number 3, if possible, transcribe your videos in your description. This is all about basically telling YouTube what your video is about. The more you tell them what your video is about, not only through the video, but through transcription, that's going to help. Number 4, you want to add relevant tags and add your videos to playlists. So you want to create playlists. Number 5, you want to add your affiliate links and make sure to use a shortener, a link shortener. And if you can include the link inside your video on the screen, please go ahead and do that as well. So those are the basic steps you need for how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. But we are missing the most important step, and that is our last step. And that is step number 6, which is driving traffic to your site or to your YouTube content, your YouTube video. Driving traffic to videos basically so that people will see your videos, they'll be able to click on your affiliate links and purchase your product. Now, there are basically 2 ways for you to get traffic, and that is by using either paid ads like Facebook, Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram, the list goes on and on. Or you can choose to rank your videos using free traffic. And the way that you would do that is through the process called search engine optimization. Now, I can tell you that search engine optimization as a way of driving traffic to your videos makes a whole lot more sense, especially if you're just starting out, because it's actually easier to rank videos than it is to rank a blog or a website. Okay, and I also have another video that talks about how to rank YouTube for videos for beginners, so I suggest you check that one out as well. But for now, I want to tell you about a special free training that shows you how to rank any product on top of Google and YouTube using free traffic methods. Now, the training is from an internet marketer that is absolutely killing it right now. I'm actually using his same system and I'm getting amazing results. So let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. So what I'm doing is I've created about 18 videos right now, and as you can see, I'm tracking the YouTube rankings. I'm tracking where it ranks in Google itself, and also Google video ranks. So as you can see, I've got #1 all across the board. I've also seeing multiple videos ranking for the same key phrase from other videos that I got. So I've got multiple rankings. That means that I am basically dominating the real estate. And again, this is all, I just published, it's barely a month old. And these results I was seeing right away. It's amazing how this system works. So let me show you some live examples of that. All right, so as you can see here, this is a regular Google search. This is me right here, Digital Synergy. This is what's known as the carousel, okay? And I am #1 right here on the carousel. I also happen to be right here as well for my website. So it actually works in conjunction with my website. So this is for a regular Google search. This is inside of Google videos. Here I am again, #1 in YouTube. This is actually an ad, so here I am. I'm #1 for this one, and then this is for there. I guess Google hasn't made a carousel yet, because this is sometimes it puts up this carousel that I was showing you earlier, and sometimes it just puts the videos this way. But what's interesting here is, as you can see, this is me. This is my website. This is my website. These are all different videos, and I'm totally dominating the space. Again, here, this is inside the videos. This one was just in their regular Google search, as you can see here, all. And then of course here I am dominating the in YouTube. So it's just amazing, as you can see the results that you can get. So if you want to access the free training that shows you how to make money with YouTube and get to the top of the listings, as I'm showing you here, click the link below. It's absolutely a free training. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notify bell so you'll be alerted to my latest videos. I update them on a regular basis. So go ahead, click the link below in the description, and I'll see you next time.